Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing the installation of Dazuma's Minimalist weatherproof metal post light. Product includes 1 bag of screw accessories containing long screws and screw sleeves, 1 instruction manual, 1 Minimalist waterproof metal post light, First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the 2 sides at the bottom of the product and set them aside safely. Secure the metal plate to the bottom of the product. Place the product's metal mounting plate at the location where you plan to install the product. Then mark the position and drill the holes. Insert the 4 screw sleeves from the screw accessory kit into the holes. Replace the metal mounting plate and insert the 4 long screws from the screw kit into the screw sleeves. Connect the push and quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to the push on quick connect terminals you have provided. Align the side of the product's lampshade with the 2 holes. With the side of the product's mounting plate that has the holes, then place it on top. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.